All right, hello, welcome to Thursday, November 5th. We're doing while loops again today, and kind of a lot of stuff in the folder for today, so I thought I'd give a brief introduction. A lot of them should go pretty quick. Just got a couple while loop review questions for you to do, so try them first. Try this puzzle piece of questions, and then watch the video that has solutions. So if you get them all right, you can skip the video. If you got just a couple wrong, you could skip around the video and watch the solutions to the ones you're not sure of. Okay, and then after that, we got talk about infinite loops a little bit, which is actually a pretty important concept. Um, and then I have a number sum program example, right? I think this is just one for you to kind of watch. You can code along with it a little bit if you want to, but then there is one I want you to actually program here, number 5. So I want you to actually program this and submit it either on the assignment right here or put it in your Google Drive folder. That'd probably be easier for me, but either spot to turn it in just to make sure we're okay on that. So it's kind of like a check for me and you to make sure we're doing okay with these while loops. So that do turn that in at the end of the lesson today. All right, I know it looks kind of like a lot, but tomorrow is kind of a shorter day, so I didn't know how to split it all up or whatever. So know that this will be a little bit longer, but hopefully most of the things don't take too long. So that's it. Good luck with the stuff today. As always, send me emails as questions come up. Thank you. Have a good day.